So, got these layered pieces of matting. Just one here on the bottom to cover the wood, and then the next to meet the seams between the wood layers here, and then two top layers to basically cover the entire repair. The two bottom layers are basically to build the thickness. And that's just the way I like to do it. And I've got these ends tapered in the same fashion where everything is layered nice and level, so I don't have to do a lot of grinding. I don't like grinding.